Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Sandy and I'm so happy you all are here. Today's project is a really simple, quick, easy project. So I thought I would hop on here and just do a quick video. But this is one of the dies that I purchased from Temu, and I did a whole video on that. If you haven't seen that, you can check that out. And it cut out really nicely. Here is a cut, and I did it on this green cardstock. It's a pretty heavy cardstock. It's probably like a two something GSM, probably 250 or 260. It's a really nice cardstock, so I would recommend that for these die cuts. And I thought it would be pretty to back it onto some vellum. So I have these Krafter Companion Crafter's Companion vellum sheets, and so I cut down a piece of the vellum. You can see it see-through there, and I thought that would be neat to back these with the vellum, so you can see a pretty little wildflower scene in the back, and then you have your pretty die cut on top. And I thought this would be great also on a greeting card, so you could glue that onto the cover of a card base. This image is it is about 3 3/4 wide, and it is almost 5.5 tall. So that would be a nice card base. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna glue around the edges, and then I glue a few of the little birds here. See if this is clogged. Hopefully not. I hope y'all are having a good day. I'm having a really good day. I'm working on these projects for my patrons. It is a bird and nature Edith Holden themed month. So I've been making a lot of bird ephemera, bird projects to send to my patrons who are in the bluegrass tier. I have one spot left, and if you're interested in it. And then I also have a $8 tier that you'll still get some Happy Mail from me, but it won't be as large as the bluegrass tier. So if your budget's a little bit tight, but you still want to get a few handmade things, then that might be something you'd be interested in. It's a great value because you also get all of my digitals that I have there, and then I also have member-only videos that you can see only over there. And I do just now realize that I need to glue down some of these branches that are sticking out. So I'm going to come back and add a little bit of glue to these. I think this would look so just pretty on a journal page. And then just gently fold these back. Add a little glue. And the nice thing is this paper, it doesn't need a ton of glue for these delicate little pieces. So on my next one, I'll know to add glue in a lot more spots. That would be easier than doing it this way, for sure. There we go. Look how cute that is. And then let me show you this on a journal page, how pretty it'll look. So I just grab, I mean, it would even look pretty on the cover, honestly. But you can just put it onto a page, any old page you want. I like the idea of on a lighter colored page, because then the vellum pops, like here. I think that's so pretty. And you could glue just around the 3 edges, and then you'd have a top loading pocket, or you can glue and have it be a side loading pocket. So just a really fun, easy project. I do recommend this die from Temu. And if you would like the link, just leave a comment down below. All right, I will see you all on the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.